So, hi everyone, my name is Angie and we are Bar Mixo. This is our Bar Mixo channel and this is my friend
Kim.
And we will be making a Long Island today, and here are some fun facts.
Yeah, so the Long Island iced tea is actually a drink based on a Prohibition era drink called the Old Man Bishop. That drink recipe had maple syrup inside of it and whiskey. In the Long Island iced tea today, we actually use all clear spirits and sweet and sour as the replacement for the maple syrup. Now this drink became more popular during the 1970s, and the person with the most claim to this seems to be Robert Butt, who actually made this drink recipe during a cocktail competition. So that's pretty much what we know about it.
Okay, and here are the tools that you'll be needing. You will be needing a bar spoon to mix the drink if you like. You don't have to necessarily mix it. A cutting knife, a straw, and some jigger, and a highball glass. Okay, and the ingredients are...
Yep, so you basically want to have clear spirits, vodka, rum, tequila, dry gin, triple sec, some homemade sweet and sour. So you're making this at home, you want to make fresh ingredients. You also want some Coke as well for the splash, and lemon to garnish the drink, and pretty much that's all you need for the ingredients.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay, so basically what we're going to do is grab some ice. We're going to fill the ice to the very top. Next we're going to add half an ounce of vodka. Then we're going to add half an ounce of rum. Next up is half an ounce of tequila. Now some bartenders leave the tequila out, but the recipe does call for tequila. Then we're going to add half an ounce of gin. Next we're going to have half an ounce of triple sec. Now what you want to do is fill it with sweet and sour. Leave some room on the top for the splash of Coke. Add it in. Now you can actually mix it with a spoon. That's completely up to you. Most people just kind of leave it as is. And then garnish this bad boy with a lemon wheel and add a sexy ass straw. So we have a Long Island iced tea. Let's go and taste this delicious drink. Yeah, delicious. Yeah, this is really getting me hammered. So it's actually a drink that it's a Long Island iced tea, but it doesn't actually have tea in it, which is actually the fun part.
Actually, you know what? Let me add something to that, I'm sorry. But it actually tasted a little better with the extra Coke that I put in. I'm just saying. Because I'm not a hard liquor girl. Like, I like my girly drinks. But this could be a girly drink if you add a little bit of Coke. That sweetness.
There we go. Yeah, so here we go. We have Long Island iced tea.
You can cut that if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe and like it. And also make sure you check out our website. It's called barmixo.com.
Yeah.
And have a good night and have fun, and make sure you guys drink responsibly, okay?
So guys.
Bye.
All right.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.